Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will guide you through the process of enabling and using Chrome flags in Google Chrome. And now, let's get started. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type Google Chrome. Select Google Chrome from the search results to launch the application. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the address bar and type chrome://flags, then press Enter. This action will direct you to the Chrome flags page. Here, you will find various experimental features. You have the option to enable these features, disable them, or leave them set to their default values based on your specific needs and preferences. Experimenting with these flags can unlock new functionalities or modify existing behaviors within Chrome. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.